This map I will be using for class 10 also, but you have these rivers in your syllabus as well. So I'll explain you how to mark rivers on a blank map. See, river Indus, you have to start from this point. Now river Indus, river Satluj and river Brahmaputra, all the three rivers have their opening or the beginning or the source from Mansarovar Lake. So this arrow where it is, you see this arrow, this is the source where river Indus originate. So river Indus, after originating, you have to take care of this particular cut. From here you have to take river Indus directly to the head of Jammu Kashmir, make it bend towards Pakistan, then take it narrow towards India again, and then make it fall into Arabian Sea. So this is the course of river
Uh,
Indus like
and
this.
as it is
So here you can see this is how you have to mark river Indus. Now, river Indus has five tributaries. So, how to remember the five tributaries of river Indus? The first and the most important tributary of river Indus is river Satluj. When we are marking river Satluj, again you have to make the source near about from the same place. This is the neck of India, where you see this this is Uttaranchal border. So where Uttaranchal ends, Himachal Pradesh starts. So it enters India here in Himachal Pradesh. Then in the mid of the neck, it takes one angle, right angle. Then enters in the upper part of Punjab. It enters Pakistan and meets river Indus here in this area. So this is how you have to remember river Satluj. You have to remember the marking of river Satluj. Whenever one river comes to mark an exam, you have to learn its marking from its source to the place where it is meeting the main river. Alright? So now we are seeing the marking of river Chenab. River Chenab originates, this is the neck of India. If we talk about Jammu Kashmir as a head of India, then this is the neck. So exactly in the center of the neck, river Chenab rises. Make it little upward in the north, then take it towards Pakistan at this place. Here you have to stop this river. Yeah. So this is Chenab. Now when we are learning the marking of Jhelum, Jhelum is a tributary of Chenab and then Chenab meets together with Satluj meets river Indus. So Jhelum is comparatively a smaller river. You have to take a reference of this flat line here when you are marking river Jhelum. From here you have to take it upward, and then with this line make a parallel line like this, and then parallel to Chenab make it meet Chenab at this place. Alright. So when you are marking Jhelum, remember this. Ravi. River Ravi rises just below river Chenab at this place. So it flows parallel. Chenab and Ravi are called as sister rivers because these two rivers flow parallel. So Chenab and Ravi, the names also are taken together. So they both the rivers will move parallel like this. Now the smallest river which rises in the hills of Himachal Pradesh and meets river Satluj and goes to Pakistan is Beas. So Beas river is this one. Okay, so in Satluj and Beas, from here, from Bhakra Nangal Dam, and Indira Gandhi Canal has been taken out. So this is the place of Bhakra Nangal Dam. So these are the rivers which you have to learn in North India. Now, rivers of Northern Plains. The longest river in Northern Plains is River Ganga. How will you start River Ganga? When you are starting the marking of River Ganga, just see this. This flat line is Uttarakhand. So till here is Uttarakhand and from afterwards is Himachal Pradesh. So it rises in Uttarakhand, in hills of Uttarakhand. Then it moves parallel to Nepal's border. Then takes a U-turn. You have to really practice the rivers on a river map before, and then you have to practice marking them on a blank map. You will get in your exam a blank map where you have to mark any river. So river Ganga takes a bend here and then again a rise, and after that it enters Bangladesh from here, from this curve, and falls into Bay of Bengal. So this is how you have to remember river Ganga. River Hooghly is a distributary of Ganga which comes out of it. River Yamuna is a right bank tributary of river Ganga. So just nearby river Ganga, next to it you have to make river Yamuna moving parallel to Ganga and meeting Ganga in Allahabad. So that is Ganga and Yamuna. River Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi are parallel rivers. So at the corner of Nepal, River Gomti rises and meets River Ganga just after Yamuna some time later. River Ghagra and Gandak rises in the hills of Nepal. So from Nepal border, you have to make this river meeting River Ganga, and this is River Gandak. This also meets River Ganga. And finally, River Kosi. River Kosi also rises from the hills of Nepal and then enters India. Kosi is known as sorrow of Bengal, and after that it brings a lot of floods in this area, and also sorrow of Bihar because this is in Bihar area. So you can remember Sikkim, it's parallel to Sikkim here. Brahmaputra rises where Indus and Satluj is there, so from Mansarovar Lake. Brahmaputra will be made parallel to all these rivers. It takes a sharp U-turn from here, enters Arunachal Pradesh. After entering Arunachal Pradesh, it flows into Assam. From Assam, near this Meghalaya's border, it enters Bangladesh and then falls into Bay of Bengal. So these are the important North Indian rivers which you have to remember. River Ganga is also joined by several tributaries from the south. River Chambal is a river which joins River Yamuna, and then further it joins River Ganga. So, River Chambal coming from peninsular India and joining River Yamuna. Further, River Betwa also joins River Ganga, and see, here is Betwa and here is Son. These rivers are South Indian rivers. Sorry, the rivers which are joining River Ganga from southern side. So you have to remember Chambal, Son, both are joining Yamuna first, and then together Yamuna, Chambal and Betwa joins River Ganga. River Son joins River Ganga directly somewhere between the location of Gomti and Ganda here. Alright, and this is River Damodar. This is River Damodar, which is very famous river for Damodar Valley Corporation.